Hi, Joe with RDI here with our next tips and tricks. Today we're going to talk about care and maintenance specifically of vinyl railing. Now vinyl railing is super easy to maintain. Really once or twice a year you hose it off with your garden hose. Maybe you need a warm bucket of soapy water with Dawn in it. And if you have a more persistent stain, you might need things like Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, Simple Green, CLR, or we're also going to talk about one of our secret weapons, Colonite 920. You're going to love this part if you're an installer or a contractor. This is Colonite 920, a fiberglass boat cleaner, and we bring it to every trade show to clean displays. We use it in the plant to clean product, and it really does an awesome job on vinyl, because really when you're installing vinyl rail with an aluminum stiffener, at some point you're going to be attaching it to your post, and you're going to end up getting, maybe not this severely, but some scratch marks or gray marks on here that you'll need to clean up. Now if I take my Colonite, just put a little bit on a clean rag, and it'll clean that right off. So remember, vinyl railing, super easy to maintain, and if someone spills a libation on your railing, you know what products to use to clean it. For a complete list of care and maintenance items, go to rdirail.com.